Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So the very first thing guys, I'm going to talk about pattern. So if you're making the pattern, use a thick paper like pattern paper or art paper. Otherwise the pattern won't fit when you place it on the fabric, it won't work. So as you can see the measurement here, I have used 4 inch and 6.5 and 7. So, and also I have this waist fabric, cotton fabric, that I'm going to use it. You can use a waist fabric to make this bralette. So you may think how you'll make bra from this piece of fabric, but it's really possible guys. Just watch the video and you will get. Using pattern is the easiest way to make bra cups. As I don't have enough fabric to make the underbust band, I'm going to use this 1.5 inch elastic to make the underbust band, and I've already attached hooks with it. Guys, when you are attaching the cups with this underbust band or the elastic, make sure to stretch it. Okay guys, otherwise the process will be wrong. तो मैंने ये अंडरवेस्ट बैंड अटैच कर दिए हैं और उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू अटैच द शोल्डर स्ट्रैप, और शोल्डर स्ट्रैप के लिए भी हम हाफ इंच की इलास्टिक ले रहे हैं. Also guys, as you can see, I have attached a picot elastic in the other side, two side. So this is it. My bra is ready.